the question still remains. If all the information is free on YouTube on how to make money online with affiliate marketing, you can learn it all on YouTube, as you would say, then why haven't you started and built a $10,000 per month business as an affiliate if it's all free on YouTube, right? You say it's free on YouTube. I can find this information free on YouTube. Alex sells a course when all that information is free on YouTube to make $10,000 per month as an affiliate. If this is true, then why haven't you took the free information that you say is free on YouTube, which is public knowledge, which is free, and why haven't you built the affiliate marketing business to $10,000 per month, right? If all the information is free, like you said, on YouTube, right, how to do everything, how to get the links, how to create the ads, how to build a funnel, why haven't you started yet? Why haven't you built a 10K per month business and say Alex sells a course? If all the information is free, why haven't you gotten started yet? Why haven't you built out the Why haven't you built out the content? Why haven't you built the email list? If all this information is free on YouTube, as you would say, why haven't you built it yet? The answer is you're not going to do anything because the information is free. There's no value in free. I repeat, right? If all the information is free on YouTube on how to do all this affiliate marketing shit that you say, how to make 10K per month as an affiliate, and it's all for free on YouTube, why haven't you built it yet? This is the question that you have to ask yourself, right? Because I already know how to do all this shit, right? I started in 2017 from buying a course for $97 because I didn't want to watch 101 YouTube videos talking about 101 different ways to do shit. Just tell me what to do and I'll do it, right? Tell me what to do and I'll do it. This is how I build up to $10,000 a month. All the money that I make on the internet is because I want the information streamlined. I don't want to watch 101 YouTube videos talking about 101 different ways to do shit. Just tell me the correct way to do it and I'll do it. Tell me the action steps that I have to take to do it and I'll do it. But the question still remains that you have to ask yourself, if all the information is free on YouTube, as you state, right? All this information is free on Google and YouTube. Alex, I don't need to buy a course. Then why haven't you built out the $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing? Why haven't you created the passive income? Why haven't you created the residual income if all this information is free on YouTube? That's a question that you have to ask yourself. I made my choice years and years ago that I would make money on the internet with affiliate marketing, live as a digital nomad, have all this shit because I made a choice myself. The choice has to be made by you, not me, by you. If all the information is free on YouTube, then why haven't you made $10,000 a month yet? That's the real question.